Losing species disrupts nature's balance, causing food chains to break, habitats to degrade, resources to diminish, and the entire ecosystem to weaken and become unstable. In every ecosystem, life moves in balance. Each species plays a role, connected in a web of survival. Some species may seem small, but their impact is immense. They sustain others, unseen yet vital. But what happens when one disappears? The web begins to unravel. Ecosystem unravel. Without pollinators, plants fail to produce. Without plants, herbivores starve. The balance collapses. Human impact, destruction of the ecosystem. Human actions often trigger these losses. Every choice echoes through the ecosystem. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and overfishing strips away Earth's natural system, break vital connection between living things, and push fragile ecosystem towards collapses. Healing begins. Yet, hope remains. When we protect and restore, nature heals. Together, we can rebuild the balance because every species matters. To protect the ecosystem is to protect every life within it. No species is small or unimportant. Their loss ripples outward, harming everything else. Restore the Earth campaign, working to revive vital ecosystems. Seeing nature heal is the greater reward. Every effort, big or small, makes a difference. Join our mission to restore and protect our planet.